In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on Sportsbet. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, if you haven't done so already, make sure to download the Sportsbet app on your mobile device via the Player App Store. Once you've done that, open her up, and then you'll be brought to the page here, the home page. And now to sign up, you want to click on the join button that's located on the top of the screen here. And then you want to fill out this form. So you want to put in your title, first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, etc., etc. And then you create your login details and click on create an account. So I'll pause this video and fill this out and show you what it'll look like. All right, I filled out this form here. So as you can see, first name, last name, date of birth, address, mobile, created my login details. Scroll down and then you want to click on create account, and that will go ahead and create your new Sportsbet account. All right, so once you've done that, you can see your details, and if you need to edit any details, made any typos, etc. And then got to make sure your details match your ID. So yeah, make sure it's all filled out correctly. Then once you've done that, click on my details match my ID.